Welcome back to Auto World, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the 2025 Toyota Fortuner, an SUV that redefines off-road prowess and reimagines urban sophistication. Design, a fusion of ruggedness and refinement. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner's exterior exudes an aura of confidence and capability. Its muscular stance, reminiscent of the iconic Land Cruiser, commands attention. The front end is dominated by a bold grille with Toyota's signature emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that pierce the darkness with authority. The side profile is highlighted by pronounced fender flares and a high belt line, giving the Fortuner a commanding presence. The rear end is clean and functional, with a tailgate that opens to a spacious cargo area, ready to accommodate all your gear for any adventure. Interior, a haven of comfort and functionality. Step inside the Fortuner's cabin, and you're greeted by a haven of comfort and practicality. The spacious interior is well appointed with high-quality materials that exude a sense of luxury. The dashboard is designed with a focus on functionality, featuring a clean and uncluttered layout. The center stack takes center stage with a large touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're navigating through winding trails or cruising down the highway, the Fortuner's interior ensures you stay connected and entertained. Performance, unleashing power and efficiency. Under the hood, the Fortuner packs a punch with two impressive engine options, a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder and a hybrid powertrain. The turbocharged four-cylinder delivers 235 horsepower and 285 lb-ft of torque, providing ample power for exhilarating off-road adventures. For those seeking fuel efficiency without compromising performance, the hybrid powertrain seamlessly combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, generating a combined output of 255 horsepower. Both engines mate with a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear changes. Off-road prowess, conquering every terrain with confidence. The Fortuner is a true off-road warrior, equipped to tackle any terrain with unwavering confidence. It boasts a full-time four-wheel drive system that distributes power effectively to all four wheels for superior traction and control. A locking rear differential further enhances grip when traversing slippery or uneven surfaces. Ample ground clearance ensures the Fortuner can navigate over obstacles with ease, while the tuned suspension provides a comfortable ride on the highway and exceptional handling in the rough stuff. Technology, enhancing the driving experience. The Fortuner seamlessly blends off-road prowess with modern technology. A suite of advanced driver assistance features, including lane departure warning, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, provides an extra layer of safety and convenience. The infotainment system is a technological marvel, featuring a user-friendly interface and a variety of features, including a built-in navigation system and a premium sound system that elevates every journey. Safety, your well-being is our priority. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the Fortuner is no exception. It comes standard with a comprehensive suite of airbags, including side curtain airbags and knee airbags, providing occupants with maximum protection in the event of a collision. The body structure is meticulously designed to absorb impact energy, while electronic stability features help prevent accidents before they happen. The ultimate off-road companion and urban cruiser. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is more than just an SUV. It's a gateway to limitless adventures and urban sophistication. Its rugged capability, refined comfort, and advanced technology make it the perfect companion for your next adventure, whether it's conquering challenging trails or navigating the bustling city streets. The Fortuner is ready to take you wherever your wanderlust leads. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner. We hope you're as excited as we are to experience this remarkable SUV firsthand. If you're seeking an SUV that can seamlessly transition from conquering the wilderness to navigating urban landscapes with grace, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner is the perfect choice for you. Stay tuned for more exciting coverage of the latest automotive innovations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and expert insights on all things automotive. Until next time, happy driving and safe journeys.